Hello, welcome to Plan and Preserve. I am Brenda, and fall is in the air, and what comes with fall? Yummy, hot drinks. So for this month of September, I thought, what would be great is some hot drinks mixes. Oh, and that would be great for gifts. So stick around and we'll be right back. Today we're going to be making three latte mixes for the sweet comfort of fall. We're going to do a pumpkin spice mix. We're going to do a chai tea latte, and a matcha. I'm not a big fan of matcha, but I know several people who love it, so I'm going to make the matcha. You probably have most of these ingredients in your house. The big bulk is the powdered dry milk and sugar. You could substitute this for monk fruit, or I don't know about other sweeteners. I like monk fruit as an alternative. Instant coffee, instant unsweet tea, and matcha powder milks. And then the rest are spices that you may have in your house. You may not have the vanilla powder. We've used this in the past, but this is just great when you don't want to, you want to add vanilla, but it's not liquid, to powdered ingredients. So yeah, so let me get set up for our first round, and I'll be right back. Our first recipe is going to be the pumpkin spice latte mix. With that, we're going to need 1 cup of, we're going to need 1 cup of powdered milk. There's probably an easier, quicker way, but I have these oxygen absorbers in my milk so it don't get hard. So there's a cup of powdered milk. We need 1/2 cup of instant coffee grounds. This doesn't always smell good. How many of you like pumpkin spice? All things pumpkin spice. I mean, isn't it the true fall? It just makes fall. And then we're going to use 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, 1/2 cup of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of pumpkin spice mix. One. 2. Optional with this recipe is vanilla powder if you want to stick some in there, 1 teaspoon. So why not? Vanilla makes everything better. Okay. Now you could take these and layer them in a jar, but I'm going to mix them up because I'm going to present it in a jar, and all you have to take out is 3 to 4 tablespoons, depending on how much you want, how much you like, how concentrated you like your drink. So just mixing this up. All right, and then I'm going to put this in 4-ounce jars. It's for gift giving. And just going to, not in the camera, 4-ounce jars. So we're going in with just shy of a half a cup to leave a little bit of head space. There. We have our spiced. Smells delicious. Okay. All right, there's our spiced latte mix. That was pretty quick, wasn't it? I think it was pretty quick. We'll be right back. I'll get this cleaned up. This next recipe we're going to make is the Spiced Chia Latte mix. Now, I was first introduced to chia, spiced chia, with a dear friend. She took me to Starbucks. She goes, "You're going to love this." It was a soy spiced chia latte, and I was hooked. I was hooked. So we don't have soy milk, but we're going to use powdered milk, and I'm going to pull this together. It's basically the 1 cup of powdered milk, as before, as our foundation. Now I did taste the powder with my finger for the pumpkin spice mixing. It was amazing. I think what I'll do at the end of this video is I'm going to make a cup of each of these and we'll try them. And I'm scared to try the matcha. I don't know if I've really had matcha, or I just don't know. So there's a cup of our powdered milk, half a cup of our sugar, and a half a cup instant unsweet tea. There's the tea. All right, then we're going to need a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. Now I had to buy this for these recipes. Half a teaspoon. And a quarter cup of quarter teaspoon of ground cloves, a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, and do I keep saying cups? And a quarter teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And we're just going to mix that all up together. Smells good. And then we'll put it in our jars. Okay. Whoops, sorry about that. in your ear. I forgot, I got 5 jars earlier. Let me get more than that. There you go, 5 jars of Spiced Chai Latte mix. Let me get this cleaned up and we'll be back for our final one. All right, our third and final latte mix is going to be the Vanilla Matcha Latte mix. So we're going to start with the 1 cup of dried powder, milk powder. They look like that. You can get them on Amazon. Just make sure you get the food grade ones. And then we need a 1/2 cup of sugar. And a 1/4 cup of this matcha tea mix. I'm just going to put this whole packet in here. It's 0.71 ounces, basically, 1/4 cup. All right, and then our last item is a teaspoon of vanilla powder. Okay. And let me just mix this up. Okay, let's see how many we get. There, this one got us 4. There we go. Well, we got 5 spiced chias, 5 pumpkin spice, and 4 matcha lattes. And I used my little label maker to put the labels on the top. These jars are from when I had my Blue Hill company. So I just thought it would be better than a regular ring and lid, but you can do that if you have it. But I've made up my cups of each one of these. And let me get you around here so you can see my face. Alrighty, ready for the taste test? Okay. pretty hot. This is the Spiced Chai Latte. That reminds me of that Starbucks one for sure. I think that cardamom is what gives it that unique flavor. Chia, I don't know. I'll save this for last. This is the pumpkin spice. Oh yeah, this is a winner. Oh yeah, that is delish. These would be so amazing on a cool fall morning. Alrighty. I don't know if I've ever tasted matcha before, but here goes. I'm not sure what it tastes like, but it has a unique flavor. It's not bad. It tastes vanilla-y and matcha-y. I would get that again. I would venture now and try a matcha somewhere. So those are good. For sure, my favorite, second, third, but delicious, none the same. So there you go. Now next week we will be doing another hot mix, and for the next 2 more Saturdays, and then we'll wrap up a gift giving episode. So, and with that we'll also talk about cost all at once when we do the gifting. So tell me which one in the comments below if you like any of these flavors, tried any of these flavors, if you like a matcha, because I'm not sure how many people like matcha, but it's not bad. Seriously, it's pretty tasty. So like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you next Saturday. Thanks.